Hello everyone, Spencer Gracias here, CEO of Stefanini North America APAC. Today I'm here to talk about the manufacturing industry, its trends, what's going on, how technology is affecting the industry, and how Stefanini is inserted in this context. According to IDC, by 2020, half of the 2,000 global companies will rely on their ability to create digital experience, services, and products. And this will dictate their business future. The manufacturing industry is not different. The three pillars of the digital transformation within the manufacturing industry are connectivity, intelligence, and flexible automation. Connectivity enables the flow of relevant information to the right decision makers in real time. Intelligence use case relate to applying advanced analytics and artificial intelligence to an array of data to generate new insights and enable better decision making. Talking about flexible automation. In this area, new robotic technologies are leveraged to improve the productivity, quality, and safety of the operational process. Well, the digital transformation is really changing the way that we used to know the business and how the business is conducted. Stefanini Industry Automation, one of the ventures of the Stefanini Group, is specialized in industrial and smart factory solutions. Stefanini Industry Automation has managed multidisciplinary industry projects in several segments like mining, steel, chemistry, pulp and paper, agribusiness, food, automotive, energy, oil, and gas. So go to our website, find the special page about the manufacturing, take a look on that. We have everything there for you that wants to know more about this subject. Stay tuned, see you next time. Bye-bye.